everyone, I want to show you today how to add video to your website. It's pretty easy in the Investment Dominator. The first thing that you want to do is upload or shoot a video. The easiest way is to just take your smartphone, if you have one, and record a video of yourself and then upload that video to YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube account, it's easy to create a free YouTube account, and from almost all smartphones these days, you can actually, right when you shoot the video, when you are done recording it, they give you an option to share it to YouTube. Now, even if you don't want your video to be accessible by the search engine of YouTube, there is options within YouTube to not make it accessible in the search engine part of YouTube. But you do want to upload it so that it's hosted somewhere on the internet. Let me just go to YouTube, and I'm going to type in Investment Dominator. And we have shot a sample video. It's actually right here under our channel. So the Investment Dominator channel is this one. And if you look at this one that says Sample Buying Site Video, this one right here is a sample video that we shot that is going to be put on our buying site. So if you look at our buying site, this is the default buying site, and the video here is explaining about the letter that we send out to property owners. And in the video, this is Christine. She's going to explain that what the owner needs to do to request an offer from us. So we want to put that video above the page right here where it says Sell Your Land Today, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So right now, if I go to this Sell Your Land Today page, there's just some text up here at the top, and then there's a web form. So what we want to do is replace this part, this text right here, with a video explaining to the visitor, in this case a landowner, what to do with the letter that they received in order to request the offer. So what we're going to do is go back to YouTube. We're going to find the video that we posted. In this case, we posted this, but you would post it to your own channel. And what you want to do is scroll down to where it says Share. Click on that, and click on the one that says Embed. And it's going to give you this embed code. Now, what you want to do before you copy this code out is click on Show More, and make sure that these boxes right here are unchecked. The reason why you want to make sure these are unchecked is because these, for example, this one first option right here is going to show suggested videos. At the end of this, at the end of this video, it's going to show a bunch of suggested YouTube videos, and those typically are not anything related to what your video is saying, and it will just distract the user with a bunch of other videos. So you want to make sure that's unchecked. And also, I always uncheck, show player control, so they can't really stop or rewind. These are really short videos that just explain a single concept, so they shouldn't have to stop and rewind it. The other thing is I just make sure that there's no tiles or anything like that that can bring them over to YouTube itself. I want to keep them on our website, basically. So bottom line is just make sure that all of these check marks are unchecked. If they are, you can come back up here at the top and you can copy this HTML embed code out. And you don't have to know what it means. You just have to right-click and copy. Now we're going to go back to the Investment Dominator, to our back end of the site. And since we're customizing something, we're going to go to Customize Site. And in this case, we're going to be customizing something on the buying site. So under Website Settings, Buying, you click on that. And scroll down to where it says, these are the different default pages of the website. And scroll down to where it says Sell Your Land Page Text. So if we go to the front end real quick, this is just Sell Your Land Page. So we're going to edit basically the content on this page here. Now, since the code that we copied from YouTube is an HTML embed code, we want to go to the Source tab first because that is where you can paste source code into. So we're going to click on Source, and once it's highlighted like this, we can right-click in this window here and paste that code that Google gave, or that YouTube gave us. Then we're going to click Source again to get back into preview mode. you'll see an outline of the video, but you'll also notice that it's off to the left, so we want to click it and click the center option right here, and that's going to center the video. Once that's done, we can scroll down to the bottom here and click Update Site to save those settings, and the site is updated. If we go back over here, we have to refresh the page in order to see the video. So we'll go ahead and hit refresh, and it's going to reload this page again. And once it reloads, you can see that the video is above the form. Now you can get this video to autoplay, which is a nice feature. So if somebody just clicks on it, the video automatically starts playing. They don't have to click it to get it going. And to do that, it's a little bit of a workaround, but I'll show you how. We'll go back into Customize Site and then Website Settings to the exact same place that we were at, which is the Sell Your Land page text. We're going to go back under Source to get to this HTML embed code. And you can see here that YouTube has the file of the video here, which ends in this show info .0. So what we can do is copy this part of it here with the ampersand, and we're going to put that at the end here, and we're going to type in autoplay equals 1. So we're just telling the system that we want to autoplay this video. We'll go back under preview mode. It looks the same, but if we save this now, what's going to happen, if we come back here, we do have to refresh the page, but now it should autoplay once this page refreshes. So you can see here, once I reloaded the page, it refreshed the video and it autoplayed. Now, in this video, you can watch it and you can create your own version of this video. You don't have to use this one. This is just a sample one. But one thing I want to point out is in this video, Christine talks about the letter that we sent them. She talks about the reference number that goes into here, which is very important because it will look up the exact record that's already in the system that you preloaded when you got your list from the county. It looks them back up, and then it starts attaching the new information that they enter, like their phone number, and then on the next page, the information about their property to it. So it's very important to explain that, in a way like Christine explains it in this video, so that you prevent the system from creating duplicate records. All right. Finally, one last point is we just added a video to one of these pages, but you can actually add videos to any of these default pages. You can add it on the home screen here. You can add it on the Sell Your House page, the Contact Us page, the page after they sign up the form. So after they fill out the Sell Your Land form here, you can actually have a video play after that. And all those settings are going to be under Customize Site. In this case, it would be the buying site. And you can embed videos in any of these sections here just by following the steps that we just talked about under Source. You can also add content to this window as well. So if I put just like, hi there, at the top, then if I change this to like maybe a headline text like red, and make it a little bit bolder or bigger, and then save this, then you can see that you can add content as well as the video, as well as pictures and things like that. So you can really customize these pages and get them to look exactly the way that you want. The point of these videos is you want to make it as easy as possible for somebody that's not familiar with your website what to do next. And a lot of people don't like to read. They don't have the time to read through stuff. So videos are an easy way number one, to build rapport because they get to see you and hear you, kind of meet you virtually almost. And then it also allows you to explain things simply and clearly. And it's just an easier, smoother process for the end user. So I hope that helps you out. Have a great day.